Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to log into American Express credit card. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Start off by opening up your web browser. Now, in the address bar at the top, type in www.americanexpress.com. Press the enter on your keyboard and you'll end up in the main homepage of American Express, which looks like this. Go to the login button in the upper right hand corner and click it on. In the login area that appears on the next page, enter your user ID in the first text box for your American Express bank account. Make sure to type in your user ID correct and head over to the password field. Type in your password correct as well. Make sure you double check your password before moving on in order to log in without any kind of a problem. Now, right below you'll be able to see a drop down. Make sure that you've chosen this card's My Account option. If you'd like the system to remember your credentials, click on this Remember Me box. But if you're using a public device or a shared computer, make sure that this box is unchecked before you move on. If you've forgotten your user ID or your password and don't know what to do next, you can simply retrieve it back by clicking on Forgot User ID or Password. Finally, after entering all of your credentials correct, click on the Login button in blue and you'll be logged into your American Express credit card, quick and easy. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have anything to say to us. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.